Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jangir and I really enjoy buying and unboxing different pop culture stuff, figures, statues and all other stuff. So if you also enjoy this guys, please put like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. And yeah, I'm just starting out, so please don't judge me too harshly. And yeah, thank you so much. So we're gonna make a review of this statue. It's a statue from Evangelion anime made by Bandai Namco company. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what's inside.
She